Simultaneous equations part 1. We're going to be looking at solving simultaneous equations graphically. Equations of straight lines. So here we have our first equation, y1 equals 2x plus 1, and we can plot this on our grid. We have a second equation, y2 equals minus x plus 4, and we can go ahead and put this onto the same graph. What you'll notice is that these two lines have a point here in which they cross over. We call this point the point of intersection. So what are the coordinates of this point of intersection? Well, we have an x value of 1 and a y value of 3, therefore the coordinates are 1, 3. So for both of these equations, both of these straight lines, when x is 1, y equals 3. And we can look at this algebraically by substituting x equals 1 into the first equation and seeing that it does indeed equal 3. For the second equation, we can substitute x is 1 and we can see that it also equals 3. So we have two equations we solve simultaneously. We solve them at the same time. For both these equations, we have two unknowns. In each we have a y value and we have an x value. So the solution to these simultaneous equations are therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. And we can get this from the point of intersection. Let us now look at another set of simultaneous equations. We have y equals minus x plus 2, which we'll call equation 1, and we have y equals 2x minus 1, we will call equation 2. So what value of x and y satisfies both equations? Well, we can do this graphically. We'll draw the first line. So what is the y-intercept? C is 2. And the gradient is minus 1. So we can go ahead and plot the first line, we can put in our y-intercept, and now we can start plotting some points. We can get our ruler and we can join these points up, put a straight line through these. And now we can draw the second line, y equals 2x minus 1, so the c value is minus 1 and the gradient is 2. So we can put the minus 1 on the y-axis. And we're going up 2 and a long 1. And we're going up 2 and a long 1. Up 2 and a long 1. And up 2 and a long 1. And now we can get our ruler and we can draw a straight line through that one. And now we have a point of intersection, which is at the coordinate 1, 1. So for both equations, we have two solutions, and the solutions are x equals to 1 and y is also equal to 1. And we can get this from drawing the straight line and finding the point of intersection.